Welcome to the Monte Carlo Yachts Yard in Monfalcone, Italy, a place where game-changing innovation and tailor-made design have come together to create a new groundbreaking concept in the world of luxury yachts. Once each of the three big modules, hull, interior module and deck, are fully completed and equipped, it's time to join them together in a sort of plug-and-play operation. During this fundamental phase, the first elements to be joined are the hull and interior module. The entire interior module is lowered into the hull in a single action and joined utilizing special structural glues adopted from the aeronautical and automotive sectors. The overall procedure is accurately planned and performed in just a few minutes. At the end of this first step, the interior lower deck rooms perfectly fit the hull and are integrated in complete control of the assembly tolerances limited to a few millimeters. Next comes the joining of the hull and deck modules. As for the previous step, specific structural glues are used to guarantee the yacht's structural integrity and maximum reliability in complete control of the assembly tolerances. Monte Carlo Yachts. We create future classics.